Hey LEGO fans, welcome back to another exciting review. Today I will be reviewing the Gamer Bricks light kit for LEGO Speed Champion set 76912, the 1970 Dodge Charger RT from the original Fast and Furious movie driven by Dom Toretto. Now for full transparency, this light kit was provided to me by Gamer Bricks for a review, and if you would like to get one, I'll have a link in the description. You can also use promo code BRICKMINDS in all lowercase to save 15% on your purchase. This helps support the channel so I can continue to bring you awesome LEGO content. Now, this is only my second ever light kit I've installed, and if you want to see my review of the first one, I'll have a card up in the corner where you can check it out. The packaging of the components is neatly organized into numbered bags, helping simplify the installation process. It's very similar to how LEGO's numbers their bags. The instructions can be found on the Gamer Bricks website and are pretty easy to follow. My only complaint here is that I wish I could follow the instructions continuously instead of having to exit out once I finish a bag and find the next starting point. It's a mild inconvenience, but an inconvenience nonetheless. Unlike my previous review where I had a damaged wire, which could have been my fault, every component was intact and ready to install. You will notice some gaps or pieces not connecting fully like they once did, and this is typical of any light kit. Some people will cut small relief notches to allow the LEGO pieces to fit better and protect the wires, but I'm a slight purist, so I'm not notching on my end just yet. I thoroughly enjoyed installing this light kit, and I didn't know that lighting up my LEGO sets was something I needed, but I am hooked. Now, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. See you next time. Bye-bye.